So guys, for the first method, once you're on Google Chrome, you want to click on the three dots in the top right, and now you want to click on settings. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to click on privacy and security, and now you want to click on site settings. And now once you're on this, you want to scroll down and then click on additional content settings. And now you want to click on sound. Make sure that you have sites can play sound ticked. You want to enable this sites can play sound. See if that works for you. For the second method, you want to head over to search and type in SNDVOL. Click on it. And then once you're on this, if you see Google Chrome right here, make sure that it's not muted. So you want to turn up Google Chrome and then unmute it. See if that works. For the next method, once you're on Google Chrome, you want to click on the three dots in the top right and then click on settings. And now on the left hand side, you want to click on reset settings. And then click on restore settings to their original defaults. You can untick this box if you want to, and then click on reset settings. See if that works for you. For the next method, in the bottom right of your taskbar, you want to click on the speaker icon. And now you want to click on select a sound output. Make sure that you have your correct output device selected, and make sure that it's not being muted and that you have it turned up as well. And now for the last method, just try doing a simple restart of your computer. Hopefully this will now fix your problem.